Hey everyone, this is Vanessa Paus, your Tucson real estate agent, and I'm excited to show you this home today. So this is a KB home here in the heart of Rancho Sahuarita. You're going to be the first to see because this house hasn't even had its grand opening yet, so you're the first one to check it out. Now, my favorite part about this home is the beautiful kitchen and the blue tile that they've chosen. And the best part about KB homes is that you can choose your design from start to finish. It's a small turnaround, actually, which I'm really impressed about when it comes to a new build. So you get to build your dream home from scratch. And so far, I love what I'm seeing. Now, if this is your first time in the channel, I just want to stop right there and say welcome. Again, my name is Vanessa Paus, your Tucson real estate agent, and really a resource here for all things real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, I'm happy to help you throughout the journey. Feel free to call me, text me, leave a comment down below. Just let me know where you are in the process, and I'll be happy to help you the best I can. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and get started. This house we're about to see is the KB home model plan that they currently have available for you to see, which is plan 1289. And a quick reminder as well that the grand opening hasn't even happened yet, and so you'll be the first one to see this home before anybody else. Now, KB Home lets you choose your lot, and you can actually then build your home to your taste. So talk about building your dream home right in Rancho Sahuarita. This is an amazing option with today's real estate climate and the low inventory levels that we currently have available, especially in Rancho Sahuarita because it's such a sought-out neighborhood. Now, the lots are ranging from $7,000 to $10,000, and the houses are starting at a base price point of $288,000. It's really a great option because you're designing your home to your taste, and there's no going wrong with that. This model plan in specific is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has a 2-car garage, and it's 1,289 square feet. I love how even though it's a single-story home, they've made the home look big by adding some higher ceilings. Now, let's go ahead and continue the tour, and welcome to your new home.